Okay, so for the next two, my copies didn't come out right. I hope yours are right. But it says Alexandra solved the equation below and determined that y equals negative 3x plus 6. Is she correct? Explain. So here is the equation that she solved. So let's solve for y and see if she did it right. So I'm going to circle my 2y. I'm going to get rid of whatever's attached to that circle. It's a 3x. I do the opposite. I hang out in space over here because those aren't like terms. This is gone. I have a 2y. I'm going to bring down everything in the right order. So the negative 3x comes first. The positive 6 comes next. Now, I don't have just y. It's 2y. I've got to get rid of the 2 by dividing everything by 2. Now I have y. I'm going to separate my fraction from my x. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, she was wrong because she stopped here, right? She said y equals negative 3x plus 6, but it was actually 2y equals negative 3x plus 6. So, is she correct? No. She is incorrect. She forgot to divide everything by 2. All right, next problem. Oh, we're still solving for y. I thought it was going to be standard form. So let's solve for y again. First step, circle y and its coefficient. Get rid of anything attached to the circle. What's attached to the circle? Minus 8x. How do we get rid of a minus? We add. Don't line it up. It hangs in space. We're going to bring everything down in the correct order. So the 8x comes first. It's positive. The negative 24 is next. We're not done because it doesn't say y. It still says 2y. We got to get rid of that 2, that negative 2, by dividing every single thing in the equation by negative 2. This becomes y. Positive divided by negative is negative 4. Don't forget your x. Negative divided by negative is positive. 24 divided by 2 is 12. There you go. Y equals mx plus b form, or you've solved for y.